Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis, and today I just wanted to give you a review of the past year of 2017. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, well, welcome back. I just wanted to update you about 2017 numbers. For the second year in a row, actually, the average home sales prices in all of Memphis and Shelby County were up, which is great. The average home price in that number is $165,644 to be exact. That's up 5% from 2016. And the total home sales volume was up 20%. We haven't seen numbers like this since 2006, if you remember back then. So we're actually seeing an increase in lots of activity. Every zip code increased in volume. So what we've been sending you with the graph part, you can look at all those and see how it's increased for 2017 as well. Over 40% of the homes were cash, which I thought was interesting of all the sales, which is interesting, just a point actually. And then home sales over 500,000 were up 28% from this time last year. But the homes over $1 million were down 6%. Not that that means a whole lot of numbers actually, but just a little bit. At my team as a whole, actually, we closed 192 homes. We helped that many people, but we've got a great team in place. It's not just one person. You know, we've got everybody doing different parts and anything to make it work. And so nothing falls through the cracks, and great reviews actually that we've had working with people. So anyways, we'd love to help you or answer any questions. It looks like another good year for 2018 to either buy or sell. So just reach out to us at any time. The number is 901-729-9526 or Melissa at yourkeytomemphis.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.